Snacking is an art form. It's that little moment of joy you steal between meals, the thing that gets you through the day. And yet, most snacks fail us. They're either packed with sugar, loaded with empty calories, or they leave us feeling sluggish. But what if I told you there's a snack that's naturally sweet, unbelievably refreshing, and, dare I say, game-changing? Frozen grapes. Don't roll your eyes just yet. These aren't the grapes you pop off the vine and toss into a bowl. Freezing them completely transforms their texture, taste, and even how they hit your cravings. The moment you bite into one, it's like nature's version of sorbet. Smooth, icy, and bursting with sweetness that feels almost too indulgent to be good for you. So why is no one talking about this? How have frozen grapes stayed under the radar in a world obsessed with snacks that are Instagram-worthy and diet-approved? Here's why they're about to take over. First, they're the perfect balance of health and satisfaction. Grapes are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and hydration, and when frozen, their natural sugars crystallize, turning them into bite-sized treats that feel like candy. Except they're not. No preservatives. No artificial junk. Just grapes and a freezer. Second, they're versatile. Think about your late-night snack cravings, when you're desperate for something sweet but don't want to wreck your progress. Or those sweltering summer days when even ice cream feels too heavy. Frozen grapes slide right into those moments, offering just the right amount of sweetness and chill. Wait, I didn't mean that. They're ridiculously easy to prep. A handful of grapes, a tray, a freezer, that's it. What's even more surprising is the way they've started creeping into food culture. Chefs and foodies alike are using frozen grapes to elevate cocktails, desserts, and even charcuterie boards. Picture them sitting alongside creamy cheeses and salty meats, adding a pop of cold sweetness that cuts through the richness. Or better yet, dropped into a glass of white wine or sparkling water, keeping your drink cool without watering it down. It's wild how something so simple can feel so luxurious. And let's talk about the texture, because that's where the magic really happens. Biting into a frozen grape is nothing like eating it fresh. It's firm yet soft, icy yet melts in your mouth. It's that perfect little crunch followed by an explosion of cold, sweet juice. It's a sensory experience, a reminder that sometimes, the best things in life are the simplest. So, why now? Why are frozen grapes suddenly gaining traction? Maybe it's because we're all looking for ways to make healthy eating more exciting. Maybe it's because they're proof that you don't need expensive gadgets or superfoods to elevate your snacks. Or maybe it's because they just hit the spot in a way no other snack can. The next time you're staring into your fridge, wondering what to eat, skip the processed junk. Reach for the grapes. Pop them in the freezer, wait a few hours, and then try them. You'll get it. You'll understand why this snack is quietly taking over.